my Josh. Oh my god, we got it. Guys,
We got it.
we got it.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh my god.
Let's go!
Let's go, dude.
Then I caught him again.
Alright, we go home. Alright, Josh, we got the lady. It's time. It's time. It's time.
It's time.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, now the box is opened. Open this. Open this. Now, this is interesting. They use paper as the cushion. Really? Oh my god. This is paper. And there it is. Let's get this thing out. Okay. Slide it over here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely crazy. I got a Demon Slayer design art panel. This is version A from Toreba. And let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright. So I've opened it up here, and as you can see, these are the designs. And as you can see, these are and as you can see, these are the designs in the back. I got this version, but this one is also good. Both are good. I like both. Both is good. Both is good. Now I believe that, okay, open this right here on the side. It should be right here. I can do this one-handed. Well, hold on. Oh, it appears I need this side as well. Let's do that. Thank you, knife. Now, I should be able to open from both sides. But I do not know how to open boxes. Not supposed to. Huh. Okay. I think I need to open the actual sides as well. And here. And right here. Okay. Now that should be it. I could open the actual sides. Oh, it's opening. One hand is hard. Don't let this fall. Okay. Now it's time to slide this thing out of the box. Okay. Okay, now you can see a little bit right here. Time to pull out with one hand. Ugh. Okay. It's time to pull this thing out. Oh my god. This looks so good. God, this actually looks so good. Look at this quality. Oh my god. This is so much better than I thought. Okay, let's take this nice little foam frame out. Yo, this is way too sick. I'm actually gonna get the plastic out right now as well. Okay. Slide this out. Oh no, don't let the stick on. Holy God. You know, this was actually worth the wait. I waited a long time for this. I will put the date on screen right now, but God, I won this. Now, it'll be absolutely amazing and beautiful. Look at this, we got Tanjiro right here, hugging his sister Nizuko. If you watch the story, you know what happens. Very tragic. And yeah, thank you again, Toreba. Yeah! Alright, I got another piece of Demon Slayer merch, and this time it's on another movie. So let's open this thing up. Let's open this thing up. Let's open this thing up. Okay, now it's time to... Tonight. I believe. Alright, there we go. Okay, now. Let's center myself. One-handed. I believe it should be right under. There he is, as you flip over. Move to the side. Where is mine? Get out of the box. There we go. Out of your box. Now, he is currently caged up, so I got this tape. Let's free him. Okay, tape has been cut, and wabam. Whoa, hold on, I might need to assemble this, so. Guys, small problem, I think maybe he's kind of dead. His head's off right now. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to assemble this. My first figure that I've ever, this is first figure I've ever assembled. That was a lame pop. Okay. So there were actually like 3 pockets for each part. That's pretty cool. Let's get this together. Okie dokie, I got 3 cursed pieces. Let's put them all together now. All together. Alright, he looks normal now. Head is on. Wait, hold on. And feet are in. And I also got this piece, but I don't know what it does, so let's see if I can open it. Okay. Yeah, so I took it out and it's literally just a piece of cardboard. Can't find any use for it. I don't see it being used on the box. And I can't see how it's implemented into this. So yeah, just a complete figure. Let's get a good shot of it. 짜잔. 짠. good shot? Where can I get a good shot of this actually? Huh. Let's do this. Boom. Oh, this is a pretty good shot actually. Let's put Muichiro right over here. And ta-da! Da-da! There it is. Play the clip of Echo, aka Josh winning for me. Special shout out to that guy. Special shout out to my brother because very good guy, and thank you for winning this. I will. He is very epic.